To prepare for your ketamine session, there are several things to keep in mind. Clear your schedule for the rest of the day so that you can fully focus on the experience. To minimize the risk of discomfort, it's important to avoid eating for a minimum of 4 hours and from drinking for a minimum of 2 hours prior to treatment. Also, to ensure optimal results, please refrain from using benzodiazepines, stimulants, cannabis, and alcohol on the day of your session. Find a quiet room where you can relax comfortably and wear comfortable clothing. Use the bathroom beforehand, and have a glass of water and tissue paper nearby so you can spit out the troche. Turn off all notifications on your mobile device and laptop to minimize distractions. Before starting the session, take a moment to write down an intention in your journal. Dim the lights in the room to create a peaceful atmosphere. When you are ready to begin, split the troche in half and place it under your tongue, swishing it around to help it dissolve more quickly. Turn on the ketamine music playlist or other calming music, and put on the eye mask to block out any visual distractions. Take some time to meditate and focus on your breathing while waiting for the medication to take effect. After 15 minutes, you can spit out the troche and immerse yourself into the experience. Allow yourself to fully surrender to the sensations and emotions that arise, without judgment or resistance.